Hey everyone, it's Succulents Box here. Today we're going to talk about a special succulent arrangement, how to create a succulent propagation mandala. Succulent arranging is fun and full of unlimited creativity, while succulent propagation is a relaxing, satisfying, and exciting experience. Let's combine these two and try something different. Propagation arrangement in a mandala pattern. We now have something artsy and therapeutic, and it can bring your gardening to the next level of relaxation. Are you ready to learn about this? Stay tuned! First, we need to understand what a mandala stands for and why it plays an important role in meditation and practicing mindfulness. A mandala is a circular pattern that represents the universe. And from a religious standpoint, it acts as a sacred space designed to receive gods and universal forces. Today, mandala is used in meditation practices that don't necessarily have to involve religion. The practice of mindfulness is a psychological movement within dialectical behavioral therapy. Meditating using a mandala, focusing on the big picture and moving inward, is another popular way of practicing mindfulness meditation. So why should you make a succulent propagation mandala? Because it's relaxing and mind-easing. Gardening is a mindful practice, and combining it with a mandala creation is a way to turn your garden into a more relaxing, soul-searching experience. Creating propagation mandalas is also a great way to beautifully and creatively organize your succulent leaf cuttings to make a unique piece of living artwork. Now that you know why a mandala is different from a traditional succulent arrangement, let's learn how to make one with these simple steps. Step 1. Preparation. To make your own succulent mandala, first you need propagation tools like gardening scissors or knives. You also need gardening accessories like gloves, colorful rocks, or other plant-safe markers, and a plant spraying bottle. Second, you need a large, clean pot with well-draining succulent soil. While your pot doesn't necessarily need to be deep, it should be large enough to hold many cuttings at once. That way, there will be plenty of room to make your pattern. If you're having trouble finding the right pot, try poking some drainage holes into a disposable pie plate from a grocery store. Third, you need a couple of healthy succulents to take cuttings from. Any succulent species that develop baby plants from their leaf cuttings would do, so you can choose them according to your taste. Don't forget that some succulents like sempervivums or agaves mostly won't grow from their leaves, so they're not suitable for this arrangement. You can also prepare a rooting hormone to boost the propagation process. Ready? Let's get to the real work. Step 2. Making the mandala. First, you need to create the skeleton of your mandala. Using your colored stones, mark out the key points in your pattern, and use your fingers to make small indentations in the soil to plan out where you'll place the cuttings. The less you handle your cuttings, the less likely their farnia layer will get damaged from the oils on your skin. If you have a paper blueprint for your design plan, now's the time to put it to work. Next, collect your cuttings. You should use a pair of clean, sharp scissors or a knife to trim away the succulent leaves at the node. After making your cuttings, let them dry and callus over for a few days before you dip them into the rooting hormone and place them in the soil. You can also use fallen healthy leaves and prep them in the same manner. Finally, it's time to place your cuttings. Lay your succulent cuttings on top of the soil and cover the cut end with a bit of tiny dirt. When you place your cuttings, follow your mandala skeleton and markers. Again, be gentle so that you don't wipe off the farnia layer of the leaves, which protects them and keeps them healthy. Step 3. Caring for your succulent mandala. Now your mandala propagation arrangement has been made, you should follow general care instructions for succulent propagation to ensure all cuttings grow some baby plants. Put the pot in an airy spot with plenty of bright, indirect light and mist frequently to keep the soil slightly moist. Do not place your pot near intense direct sunlight. After a couple of weeks, you should start seeing some root growth. Note that healthy roots are pink and white, and some cuttings will grow new plants faster than others. Be patient, enjoy the process, and you will soon be rewarded with a satisfying, relaxing, and unique succulent mandala. And that's it for today's video, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and hit that subscribe button for more content. If you have any questions or recommendations, don't hesitate to leave your comment in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Happy gardening!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.